Alright, in this video I'll show you how you can fix the error when you try to update the vCenter server. It's giving me an error that network failure, check the network settings and try again. And I actually went in here, I click on this and then I got the error, and usually it shouldn't give you an error. If I go to the settings, I saw that the URL was um, pointed to vapp.updates.vmware.com. I remember like last year Broadcom actually changed that all the update URLs will be will require a new URL from Broadcom, and it will also require a token, like a special password from Broadcom. I have already updated that on the vCenter server side, where I'm downloading the updates for the ESXi servers and for the vCenter server, like the normal updates. But I did not add that token or the custom URL on the VAMI um, portal itself, which is 5480, port 5480. So, and I just searched online, as I searched online, uh, uh, try to find out if this is still a valid uh, repo for VMware. And I got the answer that no, it's vapp.updates.vmware.com is no longer the vCenter server update repo. Broadcom discontinued everything. I think they discontinued back in April, couple of, like maybe last year or so. I don't exactly remember when was this disabled. But anyways, the way you can get the new repo is, and actually this site shows you there's a um, oh, right there it says VMware public patch repo URLs were deprecated as of April 23rd, 2025, which was well over a year ago. So I guess I was not, I had the latest update, which is 8.0.3, 8.0.3, but not the latest build. So I guess I'm not updating my server for a very, very long time, but the only update I have is 8.0.3, and then I think just the build number. So, and it shows exactly, here it is, you're getting this error. And by the way, you need to go back into your settings and change the URL. If you are using a version 7, you need to change that to this. If you're using version 8, I guess I remember doing this maybe last year here, then I think I used the ISO and downloaded the new ESXi server, and then since then I did not change the URL. So it defaulted to this, but Broadcom is saying change the URL to the Broadcom URL, including the token. Now, how can you get that token? You have to basically go to support.broadcom.com. Once you're there, you need to go to the top right there and click on VMware Cloud Foundation, and then click on My Dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, under Quick Links, you'll see Generate Download Token. Now, I'm not going to click on this, but I'll just show you what it looks like. I took a screenshot of it, which looks like this. So if you go to this place, I had downloaded the token back in 2025, and this is my token. So basically, you just need to get this token, or this little password, or this token ID, and insert it into this this URL. And once you do that, then you need to just come in here under settings, click on specified, and then I just need to enter that URL. Now I'm going to take my screen off, and I've already created the URL based off of this article, and I'm just going to update it here. But I'm going to take my monitor and take this screen to a different screen and hit save, bring it back in here, and let's see. Okay, it's taking a little longer. The only thing I can see is I have the version 8.0.3.00000, not the 00400, but let's see if it accepts this. Oh, right. So it did accept it. Okay, so it did accept it, and so looks like everything seems to be working now. All I gotta do is just make sure I can just search online to see if I can go directly from 8.0.003 to the latest version or no. And then I'll be good from there. Thank you all for watching this.